Welcome to CRIF Vision-Net. In this video we will show you how to search for a company in Ireland or the UK. As always, first log into your account. Type your username and password and don't forget to click the T&Cs. This is your personal dashboard, where you can decide what kind of search you want to do. Let's search for an Irish company. Type the name of the company you are looking for in the search bar. There are also multiple search criteria to help you find the company you are trying to find, like company number or date of incorporation. Here you'll find the list of all the companies that match your search. To make it easier to find the company, filter your results by number, name or status. To see a quick overview report of the company, click the company name. A company report will not include any financial information, but is great to confirm whether it is the company you are looking for or not. To view a comprehensive credit report that includes financial information, credit score and in-depth info, click the Credit Report button. This is the credit report. Use the subject bar at the top of the page to jump to various sections of the report. Keep your eye on any orange links which include more information that you may find useful. If you need to view any company documents, these are available to view/download at the bottom of the report, or click the document tab at the top. Click the document and it will open. From here you can download, print or send it via email. And that is how you can search for any Irish company. The same process can be used to find any company in the UK. Thank you for watching.